7 gut-busting tips to support digestive health with probiotics. Ever felt that uneasy rumble in your belly after a heavy meal? Or wondered why some foods just don't sit right with you? Your gut is not just a food processing unit, it's a complex ecosystem. What if I told you that tiny microbes could be the superheroes your gut truly needs? Welcome to Very Okay, where today, we dive deep into the world of probiotics. But first, hit that like button, share the knowledge, and subscribe for more gut-loving insights. 1. Probiotics, the gut's best friend. First things first, what are probiotics? These are live beneficial bacteria that reside in our digestive system. Think of them as your internal health guardians. Probiotics are often termed beneficial or friendly bacteria. But what makes them so friendly? According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, probiotics help maintain the balance in our gut flora. They offset the not-so-friendly bacteria, ensuring our digestive system functions optimally. The human gut is home to over 500 different species of bacteria, and a healthy balance is what keeps digestive issues at bay. 2. Unfriendly foods versus friendly bacteria. Ever wondered why certain foods wreak havoc on your gut? Many processed foods and sugars can actually diminish the good bacteria in our gut. But fear not, probiotics to the rescue. It's a war in our bellies. Sugary foods, certain medications, and processed foods can disrupt the natural balance of our gut bacteria. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that high-sugar diets can decrease the amount of good gut bacteria, leading to more digestive problems. So, it's essential to counteract these effects by increasing our intake of probiotics. 3. Fermented foods, the natural probiotic source. Before pills and supplements, our ancestors had the secret sauce: fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and even certain aged cheeses, all packed with natural probiotics. Mother Nature has her remedies. Before the age of modern medicine, cultures worldwide relied on fermented foods for better gut health. For instance, kimchi, a Korean staple, was cited in the World Journal of Gastroenterology for its role in promoting a healthy gut environment. Other fermented goodies include kefir, miso, and tempeh. Each of these foods is teeming with beneficial bacteria ready to restore balance to our gut. 4. Probiotic supplements, need or necessity? While natural sources are the best, sometimes our gut needs an extra boost. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before diving into the world of supplements. While incorporating natural probiotic sources is essential, sometimes our body needs a more concentrated dose. The British Journal of Nutrition published a study indicating that probiotic supplements might provide relief for those with specific digestive conditions, like IBS. But remember, always consult with a healthcare provider to find a supplement that's right for you. 5. Prebiotics, the fuel for probiotics. Probiotics need food too, and that's where prebiotics come in. These non-digestible food ingredients help probiotics flourish, ensuring a happy gut. Think of prebiotics as the food for our friendly gut bacteria. Foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus are rich in these fibers. According to the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, prebiotics not only feed our probiotics, but also promote a more diverse bacterial environment, which is a hallmark of a healthy gut. 6. Probiotics and mental health, the gut-brain connection. Did you know your gut and brain talk? And probiotics play a part in their chat. This may sound incredible, but our gut health can impact our mental well-being. The term gut-brain axis refers to the biochemical signaling between our gastrointestinal tract and our nervous system. A review in the Annals of General Psychiatry highlights how probiotics may alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety by influencing this very axis. 7. Listen to your body. Our body is constantly sending us signals. If a particular probiotic source causes discomfort, it's essential to take note and adjust. Everybody's gut microbiome is unique, and what works wonders for one might not suit another. Remember, it's all about balance and tuning into what your body tells you. Hope you found this video guide helpful. If you did, let us know by giving a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Very Okay, for more amazing health guides. Sharing is caring, so feel free to share this video with your friends and family. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned and stay healthy with very, very okay.